I land at no-name places. Until I get used to this gosh darn game, I'm landing at no-name places that have okay loot and that just start me off, you know? Oh, I can't get through that. That's a window. Oh yeah, I see him. They're right above you. I got one shot on the Bangalore. Nice. They're dead.
That was pretty good. Yeah,
I hit Bangalore with 2 freaking headshots.
That was pretty good. They were like, oh,
Bruh.
Broke his armor. 1 shot. To my right! I just got shot from behind. Just be careful. Up over me. Over me. He goes for the thirst? Dude, yeah, you can res me without even being by me. Res me and go inside. Run inside. Run inside.
why?
Go run inside. You can pick me up.
I already got him.
No. There's another team here.
I got 2. With the bottom of it to get on.
Oh yeah, that's a team in front of me.
I have some light.
It's fine. I ran away.
Some heavy, but not much light. So
I ran away. I hit 1, but I ran away.
okay, here they come.
How did he spot me? They're up top. Broken armor?
Broke armor on the other one. 2.
Down 1.
Another
Killed
team.
him. Nope. Let's go, baby!
How many kills you got?
6.
I got 4. I'm surprised I have.
Dude, 10 kills as a squad right now? That's nasty. Broken armor on her.
Knocked him.
Good down. Where's the other one?
I don't know. I got shot at though.
Right below, right below, right below. Right there. Ready to go down?
Yep, ready.
Broken armor on him right there. He's far away, far away. Far guy. He's out there. They're running everywhere. He bamboozled.
No, I know. I just
I'm getting your-
I didn't know they could. I didn't know they could change directions. That's an update.
Right here in front of me. He went up. Don't go up, don't go up, don't go up, don't go up. We can get out of the, go back out the zone. Did you get your kill?
No, I don't know
Okay.
where it went.
That's fine, I think you healed him. Been here all day lurking? Hey, appreciate it. They're up at the top somewhere. Oh, I just got shot at with a Kraber. Right there. Right here, around this corner.
Down. Dude, you and I on it.
Right around the corner.
There he is, he's healing.
Let's go. This guy's had good stuff too. Okay, the last 2 teams are fighting. We gotta go.
All right.
I think they're fighting. I don't know. It's just. Yeah, I see them right there. We have to keep moving this way. We have to get some sort of.
He's shooting me.
Oh, she can't hit me with that Kraber.
Ooh, I almost got right. I mean, there's no reason to push right now because we do have zone. We can wait.
I keep pinging her armor. She's trying to get a cheeky little shot. Oh, he hit me though. That's okay, I'll just heal up.
Oh, I didn't see that. I'm just wondering if we're gonna.
Oh, she was left. She almost took my head off. To the left. Yep, tried to pre-fire. Oh my gosh, how did half my health just instantly gone again? I'm waiting for them to get third partied.
That's what I'm kind of waiting for. I don't want to push that and then just get. By the time we make it there, if we don't die, we're still really low on health. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Are they fighting? Yep.
Yeah,
I'm going in.
Push now. Push now. Smart plays. Smart plays.
He's right here.
Oh, we have zone. We have zone. We have zone. I mean, do we want to push the zone? Oh, right down there. I think it's 2 solos.
Well, there's. Oh yeah, I suppose yeah.
We can get to zone right now. It's
Let's push the zone, cause then they're open field.
yeah, I like it. One's running straight at us. Whoa, whoa, not solos, not 2 solos.
Nope, not solos. Nope, solos. What the fuck?
I don't.
So confused.
I don't know, because they were both shooting at me. One just jumped off right at me. Oh, I just got shot from the. Yep, from the right.
They're both coming out middle now.
Broke armor on one. On the lifeline, she's down.
Broke arm around the other one.
Down another one.
Boom. Another one down. We're already in the ring.
Self-resing.
Please tell me someone recorded that. Nailed it.
Let's go, baby! Woo!
You wanted to win the game, I heard, Zach.
Oh my gosh! Let's go! We got one! First win of season 7, baby! Come at me, bro! Holy moly! All right, where do you want to land? Yeah, they were sweating it out, Coach Bear. They were, just like me. I was sweating it out. R301 feels really good. Feels like it hits hard. It feels like it hits like it used to.
Target spotted.
They are right above us.
I hear them looting it up, bro. I'm dead.
It's go time.
Trying to get to you, bro.
They saw me.
Right above.
Dude, I can hear them, but I.
Literally right here. Broke his armor. One shot. He's a bullet.
They're both down here.
One shot. One shot on the octane. The other guy's really hurt.
Enemy down.
Let's go. You're nuts.
Got to break the wrist of
Dude. I do have a kid in Central.
Got one knocked.
Down that one.
One behind you.
Nice call. Nice call. Oh my gosh! I just doo-dooed all over him. Oh my. I can't even describe what you just did not see. Oh my word, dude! I lasered the kid. I pulled out my pistol, and I just bopped him in the skull to finish him off, and he just dropped like a stone. Oh, car? Car? Broken armor on one.
Got one down.
I missed all my shots. The other one's hurt though.
They're not getting back.
She's one shot. Oh, I have no bullets.
Charging on my shield.
I'm the kill leader.
Nice. Oh, someone just popped in right here.
Someone's out there.
Oh, death.
Trying to get height.
Grenade!
I hit him with one shot.
Did they go?
Arcstar! Grenade! Arcstar! Grenade out!
How was that not hitting them? It's going right through their damn body.
Charging up my shields.
Hit one on the head. The 112. Pushing me.
One pushing you, yep.
Pushing me.
I didn't hit him at all.
Up here with me. Ah, shit.
Coming.
Got him down. Buddy's pushing up.
They're not getting back up.
Right below us.
Nice work.
A bullet. Oh my goodness.
Oh, y'all need to chill. Sit down.
Sit down, sir. Where is this thing going?
Recharging my shield.
Bro. We gotta go.
Taking fire.
Oh, he's beamed, he's beamed.
He does. Yeah, don't get on that. I'd say go left. There's a team on the right.
Yep.
Like,
Right here, right here.
oh, I almost jumped right off.
You see that kid right here?
Yep.
He slid down the hill. He's right there.
Over there.
The last two teams are fighting right now.
Yeah. Push him.
Faster. Go. Faster.
Broke armor on this guy in front of me. One shot in front of me.
Nailed him with a shot.
Let's go! Oh my word! Woo! We're kind of nuts, Chad. Let's go!
I thought the game was over, but when I knocked him, 'cause I shot him and he killed it, shot him. And then it told me I was the kill leader, and I thought the game was over, so I like stopped doing anything.